Dr. Dennis, I wanted to ask you, going back to this issue of homes and buildings and seeing so many people that have been literally destroyed from being in poor air quality situations and having things like an overgrowth of mold and bacteria. Um, have you seen patients with new homes where they failed the tap test? Because this has been another growing concern of mine.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes the new ones are worse than the old ones. The reason is they don't protect them when they're building them from rain and so forth. And so you get wet lumber and then they start putting sheetrock on top of it, and so it just grows behind there. And then their grading and all these things are not that good. It just depends on who's doing it. But they'll have down slopes against the foundation wall, and all the water is going against the foundation wall, starts leaking. Those are common things. Or the roof leaks, or they put a nail through the water pipe when they nail something in, and it's got a pinhole in it, so it's weeping water. It's not big, so nobody sees it. So the whole wall is totally black inside, but you can't see it. Those are common things.
Yeah. It's all too common, unfortunately.